Hello stock traders, I hope all of you had a fantastic Monday trading on the market. And in this video, I have a new PDUFA run-up stock that is very close to FDA decision and one I think that will do really well as a run-up. And so you will want to stay till the end of the video as I talk more about it. So far, my callouts year to date are up 181.40%, having a fantastic year. Before we get going in this video, if you could do me a favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a link to our Patreon group in the description down below. You will want to check that out. I love that $35 level that is basic plus long-term. Lots of great picks in there. And let's start off the year right and start off 2022 right. And I'd love to see you in there with a lot of great callouts for the entire year. I have some stocks that I sold. I sold one insider pick, one PDUFA pick, and one long-term pick. If you are interested in those, you will want to check those out. We also have those listed in the description down below. Well, let's not waste any time. Let's just get into this stock and see what you think. All right, so the stock I'm going to talk about today is AGIO, Agios, and this is a PDUFA run-up date. They have a PDUFA date of February 17th, 2022, and it's a priority review, and so love those. Those typically get a lot of excitement with them as they get going. And as you can see here, I've mapped out some different support levels. The very first support level that you will want to know and pay attention to is right at $32. And I called this out to our group in anticipation of this, and a lot of us were able to load up in the low 32 range. Once it broke this resistance here, it came back and hit that line. But don't worry, there is plenty of room for this thing to run. I think this thing is going to run like crazy, but we bought here at support, and so far since calling this out is up 7.46%. My average in it is $32.30. That's my own personal average. All right, so they have a PDUFA date of February 17th, so we have some time here. Plenty of time to load up, and I'm expecting this excitement to continue. You can see we've had this major downturn. That was how the market moved, and so lately it's been doing much, much better, and so been improving here as far as this chart goes. And this drug is called mitapivat. I think I'm saying that right, and it is for pyruvate kinase deficiency. I probably just destroyed that. It's for chronic anemia that is caused by genetic factors. And so this is a significant drug that's up for approval. You can see it got to way oversold levels and really fantastic levels for purchasing this stock. Analysts have an average target price of $58.25. So you can see here the analysts are very bullish at $58.25 as an average and a buy rating with 11 different analysts covering. So there's plenty of coverage on the stock and plenty of excitement moving upwards. Another thing I really like is as you look at the PDUFA calendar here, you can see there's just not a lot of stuff. I mean, we have Eton that I've talked about a lot, OPK talked a lot about, and there just isn't a lot here. And typically the schedule is much, much busier. So as we go here to February, still not very much. I mean, we have this FBIO Avenue Therapeutics right here, but you know, there's not a lot ahead of that. And so as investors who trade this strategy move out of OPK and Eton and some of those others, this is going to probably be very attractive looking at the next one there. So high analyst target, most likely will have great rotation going through. The market is at the perfect timing as the market has been performing better. Bios have been performing better. We had that massive move downwards. And so now that is out of the way. And so for those reasons, I think that this stock will continue to climb until February. Now, this is not a hold through decision date type of strategy. Typically, I will unload on this stock and have certain reasons for exit, and you need to develop your own reasons for exiting those stocks and be disciplined about exiting when they hit those criteria. Hopefully this gives you another stock in your arsenal to trade and to make some money on. I wish you all the best in the stock market and a happy new year, and Raythoven out.